Did you know the humble potato chip, a staple in snack pantries around the world, was born out of a petty argument in a restaurant in the mid-1800 ES? Yes, indeed, and unhappy customers' repeated complaints about his potatoes being too thick and soggy led Chef George Crumb to slice the potatoes paper thin and fry them until they were crisp. Thus, the first potato chip was born, setting the stage for the snack food revolution that would soon sweep across the globe. Fast forward to the early 20th century, we find ourselves in Nashville, Tennessee, where a young entrepreneur named Herman W. Lay started a snack food delivery business. Lay was not just a businessman, but a visionary who saw the potential of potato chips becoming a popular mass-market snack. He spent his days delivering snack foods to southern grocers and his nights thinking about how he could put his name on a snack that would be loved by people everywhere. In the late 1930s, Lay purchased a potato chip manufacturer and began producing his own brand of chips. The name Lay's was born, and with it, the beginnings of a snack food empire. The company continued to grow through the years, with LA's potato chips quickly gaining recognition as a top-quality snack. The 1960s brought about a significant milestone in the journey of LA's. It was during this decade that LA's merged with Frito Company to form Frito-Lay, a name that would become synonymous with snack foods on a global scale. This merger marked the beginning of an era of innovation and growth, with Lay's constantly pushing the envelope to create new flavors and products. In the decades that followed, LA's continued to expand its reach, finding its way into snack pantries in more than 100 countries. From the classic original flavor to the myriad of unique and diverse flavors like Indian tikka masala or Greek tzatziki, LA's has consistently demonstrated its ability to adapt and appeal to a wide range of taste buds. In the present day, LA's stands as a testament to Herman W. Lay's vision and dedication. It is more than just a brand, it's a global icon that has shaped the way we snack one chip at a time. Summing up, the story of LA's is a tale of vision, innovation, and adaptability. From its humble beginnings in Nashville to its status as a global snack food giant, LA's has continually evolved, staying true to its roots while adapting to the changing tastes of snack lovers worldwide. It's a testament to the fact that great things often start small, and with a bit of persistence and a lot of passion, they can grow to touch the lives of millions. So the next time you reach for that packet of LA's, remember, you're not just grabbing a snack, you're holding a piece of snack food history in your hands.